The Forerunner 245 is definitely not a smartwatch that people are going to buy as an extension of their smartphone or to look pretty on their wrists, but it hasn't been designed for those reasons. Aimed at providing fitness tracking data to those who work out often but aren't trying to be the next Paula Radcliffe, the Garmin Forerunner 245 includes a good number of sports tracking capabilities but not at the expense of form factor. As a result, it doesn't look or feel too obtrusive on the wrist, but with its largely plastic build it doesn't look or feel overly expensive either. It's a mere 38.5 grams with a 30.4 mm diameter face, which is pretty small in comparison to the company's Phoenix series, for instance. It's this lightweight design, alongside its comfortable silicone strap, that makes the Forerunner 245 an absolute dream to wear during all kinds of sports and activities. You barely notice you're wearing it. The true test of comfort, we think, is wearing a smartwatch during a yoga class. If you can happily arm balance and back bend your way through an hour of vinyasa without feeling the urge to take it off, you know you're on to a winner. In fact, we did 2 yoga practices with the Forerunner 245 and even wore it while sleeping 4 nights in a row and it felt extremely comfortable throughout, so a massive thumbs up there. While the Garmin Forerunner 245 is slightly thicker than its predecessor on paper, you're probably not going to notice, perhaps because it is smaller and lighter overall. The body has dropped down from a 45mm case to 42.3mm, something you're only likely to recognize if you're a Forerunner 235 user. As for the display, Garmin has upgraded the Forerunner 245 screen from a 215 by 180 resolution on the Forerunner 235 to a 240 by 240 resolution, adding a welcome touch of sharpness and better detail that wasn't present in the 235. The 1.2-inch screen is a good size too, being big enough to feed you the data you need without overloading you with information.